I'll give you a quick example in terms of the whole AI thing. A lot of people sort of looking at the ChatGPT side of things, and they're like, "Oh my God, new AI things." So now I spent the first 10 years of my professional career deep in the AI side of things, really excited about it. And then you sort of begin to look at the papers, and I think one of the early papers that work in it is something called support vector machines, which dates back to like the early '80s, late '70s, early '80s. Why, we still use those concepts of support vector machines even today, but why was it not popular? Well, we just didn't have the compute. So once we got to like 2005, 2010, and you had AWS and you could spin up 10,000 servers to do the compute, so you could suddenly have that available to you. You could do what the theory said back then. ChatGPT is really just taking a whole lot of data and applying somewhat old methodologies for chaining things and for doing some of those probabilistic models in a really fast and efficient way. But underneath it, there isn't really that much innovation. So once you understand the technology, you're like, oh, okay. It's just the fact that it's hypey is because we've achieved a yet new milestone in terms of frameworks and compute cost and compute availability, not necessarily because the technology is like truly innovative and new. It's just building on what's been there before.